Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Let's get started. In today's video you will find out how the price of NEO has changed and what the technical indicators SMA, EMA and RSI are showing. If you are not familiar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos down below in the description. Looking at the NEO hourly time frame, the price moved down with around 3.0% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of 9.7. The fact that the sellers are taking over can be deduced because the volume was high and the move was strong. Looking at the hourly simple moving averages, the current price is below all simple moving averages for this time interval, which looks bearish, and it is to watch if the closest SMA, the 200 SMA, will play as resistance or the price will break it to the upside above the current price of around 9.73. Important to note is that the price is currently below the 200 SMA, which can play as a strong resistance. However, breaking it decisively to the upside will signal a potential big move up. Jumping to the hourly exponential moving averages, the price at the moment is situated below the hourly ribbon, which is usually bearish, and the ribbon can act as a resistance, so you should keep an eye on if the price will break it or bounce of it. The current price to watch is around 9.95. The ribbon is relatively spread out, so the resistance should be considered. Next, looking at the Relative Strength Index, or short RSI, it is a momentum indicator that measures the internal strength of the price moves. The RSI is a bounded indicator and moves between 0 and 100. Typically when the RSI is above 70, the price is considered overbought and a pullback or consolidation could be expected. On the other hand, if the RSI is below 30, the price is assumed oversold. Now looking at the current hourly Relative Strength Index, the current hourly RSI is at 39, so it doesn't show signs of overbought or oversold conditions at this point. Jumping to the 3-hourly simple moving averages, the current price is between the 200 and the 50 SMA. If the price bounces off the 200 SMA, which is currently at 9.65, it could be seen as a support, and the 50 SMA, that is at 9.83, could be seen as a resistance to the upside. Breaking either way signals a possible further move to the corresponding direction. Pointedly, the current price is above the 200 SMA, which is perceived as a strong support. Nevertheless, if there were to be a decisive downward dip, it will signal a possible big move down. Looking at the 3-hourly exponential moving averages, the current price went below the 3-hourly ribbon, so you should see if the price can jump back above the ribbon or it will play as a resistance to the upside, currently at around 9.85. Looking at the 3-hourly Relative Strength Index, the current 3-hourly RSI is at 42, so there are currently no signs of the crypto being overbought or oversold. Looking at the daily simple moving averages, the current price is between the 20 and the 50 SMA. If the price bounces off the 20 SMA, which is currently at 9.54, it could be seen as a support, and the 50 SMA, that is at 10.8, could be seen as a resistance to the upside. Breaking either way signals a possible further move to the corresponding direction. Jumping to the daily exponential moving averages, the current price is below the daily ribbon, which is generally bearish, and the ribbon could play as a resistance, so it is to watch if the price will bounce off it or break it. The current price to watch is around 10.4. However, the ribbon is compressed, which means the current trend is not very strong and a trend change could be expected. Generally, when the price moves sideways, the ribbon gets less accurate. Moving to the daily Relative Strength Index, the current daily RSI is at 46, so it doesn't show signs of overbought or oversold conditions at this point. Generally, the bigger time frames have a bigger impact on the price, so please keep that in mind when we show different time frames showing contrasting indicators. Also, the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching, and know that every few hours new videos are uploaded analyzing different cryptocurrencies, so be sure to hit subscribe and not miss out. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and we'll get back to you ASAP. Also, keep in mind that you should make your own investment decisions, as cryptocurrency trading is very risky, and these daily videos only an overview of trends and are a purely technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. See you next time.